Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is the fourth video of this video series on how to design a pet care services website with WordPress and Elementor free page builder. Okay, and we have designed up to here this grid layout, content box, and here in this video let's design why user section here. So, okay, let's log in first. Then go to pages, home page, edit with Elementor. Coming back down here, let's choose to column section, advanced setting, and 150 at the top, 150 at the bottom. Okay, and image on the left side. Okay, let's look for a portrait image. Pet care. Orientation, pet care. Okay, I think this is the best one. Maybe I'm not sure. Okay, small. Download. Upload it here. Insert it here. Border radius 15. Like this. Okay, and let's copy this widget, paste it here, left alignment, and here in the section setting, vertical align, middle. Okay, and here in the column setting, let's add padding to the left side, about 50, like this. Okay, and about us text, let's change the text. Why users? Okay, users. Okay, let's copy this text to paste it here, left alignment, what we offer for you, then of course lower with some text, then this I call this okay. Here in the icon green, sorry, here from the pick color history, green, paste it here. Okay, This not exactly the same, but it's okay. Check. Check. Okay. And here icon. Okay, there is no option more there. Okay, then okay, this is it. Certified groomer, duplicate, 10 years of experience, pet lover, customer support, battery have. Okay, here in the space between 20. Okay, 5 users. Now the statistics, the counter for this. Let's use a 4-column section. In the background, let's use green color. Sorry, from here, from okay, we can color picker. Okay, pick the color here, green. Okay, padding 150 at the top, 150 at the bottom, or maybe a little less, about 60 at the top, 60 at the bottom. Counter, big lines, copy, paste, 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 professionals, 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 adopted ads. Okay, yeah, sorry. Awards. Press it plus here too. And here plus have the clients. Okay, that's it. update it. That's it for this video, and in the next video we can design this package service pricing table and this testimonial section. Yep. In the next video we can finish designing the home page. Okay, so this is the fourth video. In the fifth video we can finish the home page. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that I can help you somehow. Please don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, see you in the next video.